Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Captain Carnivore. Check out my new shirt, Captain Carnivore. It even says so. Hey, I want to show you my meal that I've got today that I made. And as a kid, I've always told, hey, don't play with your food. Well, that was when you were a kid. Now I'm an adult who sometimes behaves like a kid. I'm not playing with my food, but I can tell you, I'll show you the picture here in a second. This is when you know your food is happy. I don't know. So maybe it's just me. You might have to use your imagination, but I kind of see a wonderful plate of food smiling back at me. And well, which stands to reason since I'm the one doing all the smiling. Got a couple of pieces of my dehydrated dried beef sticks up here with some salt, a couple of patties, a couple of pieces of my butter bites that I love so much. Sprinkle it with some smoked salt, and one big smiling face of dehydrated dried bacon. Heaven help me, this is going to be awesome. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. This is Captain Carnivore.